If you drive for Amazon Flex or do DoorDash or Instacart or Grubhub or any gig app, you know the drill. You get up, you turn on your app, you decide to accept the offer, decline the offer, or you pick a route, you decide not to pick a route, but it's still linear income. You still have to get your butt in the chair of the car and you have to go do the task. But it's simple, it's easy, it's great for freedom. I love it. Don't get me wrong. But there are other high paying alternatives that I think most gig workers don't consider. So I'd like to share one of those high paying alternatives that you can do along with your gig work. So I'm going to park my car. I'm going to head up to my home office and I'm going to show you what I've been using to create residual income while I'm doing Amazon Flex or DoorDash. So I'll see you in my office. Okay, I'm back in my home office. I just got done with a crazy Amazon Flex route. And if you want to know what happens if you're in the middle of a tornado warning and you're in the middle of an Amazon Flex route, stick around to the end of the video. I'll tell you what Amazon Flex does. But anyway, that's not the purpose of this video. Like I mentioned in the car, I love gig work. It's great. It's given me a lot of freedom. I started gig working during the pandemic. I got fired from my job on the Friday that everything got locked down, but I love it. And I didn't want to go get another boss. So I started doing gig work and done quite well with it. What was missing is I needed a different alternative to keep doing some income producing activities when Amazon Flex was slow or base pay didn't let them surge, or DoorDash, it was slow at DoorDash. I wanted to find something else. And that's where I found affiliate marketing. I'm right here on this Amazon page here for this catering bag. And if you notice here on the top, it says business commission rate 3%. You get your link, and anytime somebody uses your link and signs up to buy this bag, you get 3% on that $34 commission. So I started doing affiliate marketing, and I've added that part to my income stream. But what most gig workers miss out on is some of these high paying alternatives. I think they're so involved in the gig work that they're not looking for other opportunities. So that's when I found what's called the Home Business Academy. And I'm going to take you over here to this page here. The Home Business Academy pays 80% commissions, and they've been in business for 10 years. They paid out $7.1 million in commissions. And the cool thing I really love about this program is once you get 2 referrals, you're in positive cash flow, meaning you've grabbed another income stream to go along with your gig work. So I'd just like to go through this page a little bit. I'm going to leave a link down below this video. This is this page right here. And when you put your name and email address in this, it's going to take you to this page. And I'm showing you this system here because it's our turnkey system. And what that means is when you sign up and become a member of HBA, you're automatically given a link, which I'm going to show you here in a minute in this video. You're automatically given a link. You can just, from day one, the minute you sign up, you can go in and grab that link and you can start promoting it. You get 2 sales and you're already in profit. What a beautiful thing. Now I'm going to go down through this page. Like I said, they paid 7.1 million commissions. They've never changed the comp plan. They've never raised the price or changed the price in any way of all their products. Everything is exactly the same. This is a little section about Paul and Mike and why they started the company 10 years ago. You can read through that. And here's some testimonials. You can read through this whole page, do your due diligence and read through this whole page. Every section here, you got to meet the community video. You just click down here and you can meet the community. We also have a program where we use Feed My Starving Children. So a percentage of every sale that we make goes to feed starving children across the world. And you can watch to see the impact. We pack food, that kind of thing. Here is an automatic commission tracker. Tells you how much they paid out, $7,165,000. It's verified as of May 11th. Okay, I'm going to show you the products we have. We have Let's Go app, which I'm going to go through these in a minute, which is a $10 product. It pays $8 commission. We have a funnel builder, which I'm going to show you. I created a funnel here, a tax worker's hack guide, just from the experience I've had in the 5 years that I've been doing, or 6 years, I guess I've been doing gig work. some things that I've learned along the way of taxes. So I created this little guide here, and I'm going to have a link below the video. If you want this free guide, you can get that as well. But back to this page. Then we have Premium, which is traffic and conversions. It teaches you how to get traffic to your links and get people getting eyeballs on your offer. And that pays, it's $125 a month. It pays $100. All three pays $128 in residual income. You can read through this, but 5 referrals, residual income is $640. Your net is $480. 10 residuals, and that's $1,120. And one beautiful thing about that is every time you're doing gig work, you got to trade your time for money. But it's nice going in every month knowing that you've got $1,000 coming in before you even get out on the road to do gig work. So it gives you better options. It gives you a chance to take better offers if it's DoorDash, or you can take better offers if you're doing Amazon Flex as well. Okay, and then this section here, this goes through, and there's video walkthroughs of each one of the apps. This shows you how the Let's Go app works. Okay, this section here tells you about the funnel builder and what the funnel builder does. I mean, you can make really great pages with this thing to get and promote your links. It makes links, pages, membership sites. You can have a whole page of Amazon affiliate links if you'd like. And then people get your links and they start buying Amazon products, you get commission. This is HBA Premium, and you can go down here and take a look and watch this video. It tells you what Premium does. We also have some amazing AI tools in Premium. We have an image generator. We have a copyright AI bot that does really well with copywriting. We have an email alchemist that teaches you how to write proper emails once you get leads and how to contact them. For $35, this is the starting point. You can start for $35, and it gives you 2 weeks of Premium for free, 14 days. It also has a 3-day questions asked full refund. So if you're not happy in 3 days, or you're looking at it's not for you, no questions asked refund. But if you get in and get started and join HBA Premium for the 14 days, which means you can get on our daily Zoom calls. We have 5 Zoom calls at 11 a.m. Eastern time that you can get on, get your questions answered. The owners of the company are always on those Zoom calls every single day. We have hundreds of 7-figure earners that get on these calls every single day. And you can get all your questions answered and learn from people that are really making a lot of money in this industry. Just click here and get started. But if you go here and you put your name and email address in here, you're going to see how the turnkey system works. And you're going to start receiving emails right away. It's all done for you. You don't have to set up your DNS records. You don't have to set up a website. You basically go in and get your link, and you can start promoting on day one, like minute one, right off the bat. So now I'm going to just kind of show you in the back office. When you come in, you're going to go into something that says this, Let's Go. And it's going to load all my products. I currently own all the products. I own Let's Go. I own the Funnel Builders Academy. I own Premium, and I own the Financial Literacy Academy. Just FYI, the Financial Literacy Academy is $1,000, and you get paid $800 commission. They do have a discount for the first 10 days, so it might be a little less. But one cool thing about HBA, what they do is, let's say you just have Let's Go and the Funnel Builder, and you get somebody and they come in, they want Premium. HBA will send you an email saying, hey, Jim Smith just ordered Premium and you don't have Premium. You have 7 days to purchase Premium in order to get that commission. So they let you know that you got a commission coming if you go ahead and get that product yourself. You have to own all these products in order to get commissions. But you come here to the affiliate, you come down here, and right here, I bought a domain. So mine says Success with Craig, but yours will be right here. All you got to do is copy this, and boom, you're ready to go out and promote it. You can get your own domain. We have one-step setup, no tech required, and it gives you options for what you could buy. You just go ahead and purchase that domain. Right now, they're for $11.99. They're on sale right now, and it'll automatically hook it up to your turnkey system, and it'll start going out promoting for you. So that's basically all the products. But like I said, if you're doing any type of gig work and you're overlooking this high-paying alternative, you're really missing out. So I suggest you go in, put your email in here, and just take your time and go through this and learn about all these products and see if it's a good fit for you. I personally have found it's a great fit for me because there's a certain amount of downtime, and I'm one of those people that I want to keep my mind moving. I want to create other sources of income, and this HBA has just been a godsend blessing for me. And I absolutely love it. One thing that I really love about the Home Business Academy is the community. When you're doing gig work like I have for the last 6 years, it can be kind of lonely. If you're in a car by yourself, you're not really around other like-minded entrepreneurs. And it's great to have other people that you may be on a Zoom call with this community and somebody may say something and you're like, oh, wait, I've got that skill or I've got that talent. And you learn how to build a sales funnel around whatever that product may be. It may be a physical product or a digital product, but something you're good at and you're passionate about. Being around other like-minded entrepreneurs on a regular basis is great for your business mind. You're going to get all sorts of help that way, for sure. Another cool feature that they have is they've created this Facebook inviter where it invites people and sends messages out on your behalf. And I just want to show you one here with Paul that I just had. Oh, Peter, his name is Peter. This is a message that this bot sends out. Hey, Peter, hope you're having a fantastic day. Quick question. I recently came across a project that looks like it could be pretty lucrative. Would you be open to taking a peek? If not, no worries. Let me know. And he says, yep, sure. I want to see. Boom, his email. I just go into the Home Business Academy. I go into my business. Oh, we also have an emailer, by the way. I just go in here and I take and I add Peter's name and his email address. And I come down here and I put him on the Fast Start Inviter and I hit add contact and it does the work for you. So if you're out on a route or you get the app on your phone, you can do the same thing on your phone. And then built into HBA is also an emailer where you can send your leads emails. So yeah, that's another reason why I really love HBA. So, all right, well, that's it, guys. That's it on the video. All right, now I'm going to tell you about what happens when you're in a tornado watch. I was 15 packages on a 30 package delivery about 50 miles away from the station. And the skies turned gray. I live in the Midwest here, and it can get really sketchy sometimes during tornado season. And the app came on the phone, tornado warning, seek cover immediately. Do not finish your route. You will not be penalized. So I went into a parking lot, in a sheltered area, and hung out for like 40 minutes while the storm passed. And then once it passed, it cleared up, came back on. My app was working fine. I finished the route about 20 minutes earlier than normal, but I did have to wait up. But Amazon does care a little bit about you because they don't want you delivering when there's a tornado warning. And the app definitely comes on and tells you get to the ditch or find safety. Well, anyway, guys, thanks very much for watching the video. I appreciate it. If you got any value, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, I'm going to put that tax guide down there for anybody that wants it. So with that, guys, take care. Take a look at HBA, see whether or not it's a good fit for you. And if it is, we're going to welcome you to the team and we're going to help you out. We're going to help you get lucrative and add additional income stream to your gig work. So with that, guys, take care. Have a great day and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.